Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish.
Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kolong ke kebansa jingkan mau yaka khasi sa Master District Council baka post office jong sarkar pedeng klub Pynrung yaka dro jong district council haka special cover but haka ni envelope at ho shaphang ke Khadc haka lightly kiktin kata haka kiktin hindi kiktin khasi but haka kiktin pareng yaka ni special cover applied by baru chief executive member jong khasi hills Master District Council uba penya sing cm haring ka jindan lang jo lamphang jong khasi hills Master District Council uba lamprang bala Director General of Police Ukong Ida Shishan Nongrang, Chief Postmaster General North-East Circle but QA. Hakajing kran bat kila pathai kubor ba penya sing CA mula penpau yakajing sngokemen baga post office klashim yakadur juga Khadc kuka special cover bat kanikan pelong yikiwi ke jela hakri India bakin dup tip shapanga khasi hills Master District Council.
Little booklet or a little stamp album that I could share with them. I do when I was there in Longport when I had gone there. I carried them in one big bag and I'd taken a lot of stamps and whoever children would reply to the quiz that I asked on the spot, I was giving away one stamp or two. Now I was not aware what is my role here. So anyway, I didn't do anything and I was late because of so many things. So I'm here and I feel, I'm young. Every young person philately has kept me as active, as busy. When you're not busy, you become sick, you become old, you become lonely. But with stamps, you can have your best friend all the time. Because you can go to that stand and this is from this country, from the country, and then you are with all the people of the world. It teaches me values. But whenever a student in JNU, many of my friends from North East said, interact with those Indians. I said, I'm an Indian. And I've got all the sons of different parts of the country and the world. So how can I not interact with my brothers and sisters all over the world? So that's taught me value, the love of philanthropy.
Philanthropy is more than just collecting stamps. It is a gateway to understanding our world. Each stamp capture a moment in history, a cultural landmark, or a significant event connecting us to the past while enriching our present. The theme represented in this exhibition highlights not only the natural beauty of nature and beyond, but also our shared commitment to preserving our legacy for future generations. I want to commend the Meghalaya Postal Division for their efforts in organizing this exhibition. It is testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved, from the postal staff to the local artists and philatelists who have contributed their time and passion. Your collective efforts have brought together a community of enthusiasts who share a love for collecting and appreciating these miniature works of art. This exhibition is also an opportunity for us to encourage the younger generation to embrace philanthropy. In a rapidly digitalizing world, it is essential that we foster a sense of curiosity and appreciation for tangible artifacts of history.
Ketika program philatelic exhibition Arhajar Arsa Lakbek daga Post Office Division Shillong harukan ke buat kajing penbet jong post Master General jong North East Circle hakabai day buat kani kajing beri ba ikini ki stamps ki poster bapher ki banadu ki por ki bakhamen shwa but hadu kini ki por ki bamta ki donru ki stamps but ki posters na post office ki badai hapo jongkari India na ki states na ki jala bapher por India ki donru kini ki stamps ki post ki badai na shabar jongkari India ru kumna Bhutan but ki jaga te ke ai ka ba penlong kong san yingi menta ka sngi hangne kadai halor ka jingyo Pynrung ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hapo kani ka re India haka postal re India haka bidai bat kani ka special cover la print kumba hajar tali but kawai na kata special cover kabla assignment ne da general post Master General jongkan North East Circle but nakaliang junga but ya kani pansabha ya kani ka special cover kawai ka bangi sign in original pansabha siapo National Museum Delhi kini ki babun pat kini ki special cover nakaliang ka post office kinsa yang iru katu kan ispa tali bangin la bandi nang tai nakamta kinu ki shiti ki ba ngin pha mangi lani mono ki members kum ki MDC ni ki EM ni ki officers ne wat ka office su kadan kam pha shiti la ban le nakani ka special cover ka jungi ka kani ka dei ka achievement ni ka jingjok ka jungi haka sinjam jong ka jingya ulti haka wei pat ka benta namar ba dah bangi yo ikani ka special cover ni sungko ba kari India baro kawai haka post office la itu yangi de kawai kata pat kabaar pat ba hadin habut nama kani ka special cover la shon yakala ni la print yaka tang shisen mla ban print arsian de kamut hadin khatsan arpusnem kani ka special cover ka jungi kan long very limited lani kan duna abha si sien ba kaduna kani special cover teng kan sadan ka demand ni kiwi ki jaka but sim ba bon ka demand ka dor jong ni special cover kan keo kuman shu an san let's say kan poi ka por let's say hadian san chipo khat san snem ka special cover ka jungi let's say yamenta ka value kan long san po tingka ka way yang rei hata ka por kan poi shipo khat san lak ne arpulak ka way de namar bakani ka de tak ka one time publication de namar tak daw kata ka kalong shibenta na kituki nong wat penia se nene nong kiba sumal ne bawat yakini ki stamp ki postcard dan kini ki special cover Henry yangi kum ka HDC pat ka jingmentoi ka long ba kari India hibrokawai la itu yangi ka HDC kamtam bangi la yo ban Pynrung yakini special cover hakani ka thup jongkat post office de nganga so ba kadika we ka achievement namar hakani ka special cover la patai baro hakaktin Hindi hakaktin English but hakaktin Khasi kala don shapang ka jingbatai benya habai dei ba district council manu balak seng dan la architect yakani ka sing schedule da lead Reverend JJM Nichols Roy de bala pentrikam yakana lu snem khat khandai spa san puar ter ka history dan ka jingyat ko linkot shapang ka sing schedule district council la don hakani ka special cover ke jingjop jungi kum ka HDC menta ka singi ba kerman scam ka jingi wan shimenta kini ki kena school na ki school ba per pot nong ba shilong kan penlong yaki ban snoutenat ban khamwat benya shapang ke jinglong jingban habidip kini ki stamps bakin don kata ka jing snoutenat kata ka hobby ban collect ki stamps le se hadian habul kin sa treasure lan kin sa bu kerbang yaki ban long ka jing pai te kata de ka jing tu jo ka program taksi